Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake out of cookies. First, select about 200 grams of your favorite cookies, like chocolate chip or Oreos, to form the base. Next, crush these cookies into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin for a fun, hands-on approach. Finally, combine these crumbs with 60 grams of melted butter until they are thoroughly mixed. Once your cookie and butter mixture is ready, press it firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 20-centimeter springform pan. This creates a sturdy foundation for your cake. After pressing, place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial for the base to set and become firm. While it chills, prepare your desired creamy filling, perhaps a no-bake cheesecake or a rich chocolate mousse. With your cookie crust perfectly chilled, it's time to add the star of the show, your creamy filling. Carefully pour your prepared filling over the set cookie base, spreading it evenly to create a smooth layer. Now, the waiting game begins. Place the entire cake back into the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the filling to set completely. Once firm, unleash your creativity with decorations. When your cookie cake is fully set and beautifully decorated, it's time to serve. Carefully release the springform pan sides to reveal your masterpiece. For the cleanest slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it dry between each cut. This ensures every portion looks as good as it tastes. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cookie cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.